and welcome back to Zoo Building! And today we have a little Wolfie back here, and that is very cool. Yeah, he come to say hi. Yeah, but, there was a wolf. Like, not there, that's my house. Oh yeah, I'll show you that after, but, see, you might not see, but there's a cliff right back there. Or a hill, and then it drops down into a little valleyway, and then there's a big mountain beside it. They lived in that valley sort of thing, and then they decided to go woof 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 and come all the way up. And that is very cool. So I'm very glad they're now killing all my sheepies, but I don't really care. We fly. And this is our house. I was building it, and I finished everything except for the roof. And the roof is actually gonna be pointed, but I'm really caught in between two things. Either I can do the roof, it's sort of like I would put the stairs, and I would make it so there's one stairs that goes up from that side, up from that side, up from that side, up from that side, and it would sort of make a pyramid. Or I could do from here up, and then from there up, and then fill the sides in with that. Or I could do from there up and from there up. You guys tell me what you think. If there aren't enough comments, I'll just do what I think. I'll just go ahead and get started and do whatever sounds best. Honestly, I'll probably just be lazy and be like, wonk, wonk, and not do all three sides. But today, or all four sides, but today we're gonna go, oh yeah, and the black sheepy you saw in there, he has no name. Right now I call him Sheepy, and he's very cute. And basically I was building the house, and as I was building, he sort of wandered in, and then I finished off all of the walls, and I finished off the floor, and he was still in there. And so I sort of started calling him Sheepy, and he didn't really leave. Oh, and by the way, tonight there's a party, and at my house there's a party, so I might sort of have to be like suddenly say, hey, see you guys next time, because I have to go and somebody's here. But there might actually be somebody here right now, but I'll try to just record for as long as I can, and if I'm called downstairs, hopefully you guys won't hear. Well, it doesn't really matter. I don't know why it would be bad if you guys heard. Anyway, we need to get my stuff because we're moving out of the tree. Long last, good tree. But we're not going to cut it down or anything. It's still going to be here, and it is going to be an amazing memory. And the good thing is my computer isn't like Siri's, and we're not going to have to move worlds 3 times. 3 times. Because my computer doesn't do that thing. If it does, I'm so sorry. I've never had an experience like that. If it does, because I don't know. I'm just lucky. Oh no. I'm gonna have to make 2 trips. And now we cannonball off this edge. Yes, because that is what Clara McBride does. And she lives. Long last lives Clara McBride. Sorry, not Clara McBride. Why do I keep calling myself that? Ella McBride. Long lived Ella McBride. Jeez, Ella, can't even remember your own name? And, of course, the one thing I don't grab is our chest. This may take the whole video to move. And that would be very sad, because I really wanted to collect up some. I wanted to, do something else. I don't really know what we would do. I'd sort of just look around and get a good idea, and probably by then be too late. Oh no! It's raining. Yeah, but somebody's here, so I'm gonna have to wrap up. I might have to wrap up at 10 minutes instead of 15 minutes. Magic. Motherly Minecraft powers. Oh, whoops. Whoops, a daisy. Actually, come here, little chesty. Okay, no. Fly! And Ella McBride survives. I'm so sorry if I call myself Clara McBride. That would be embarrassing. Because the reason why I'm calling myself that is I know somebody named Clara. But it is bad. Sorry, I still have a cold. Okay, sorry, I gotta go, guys. Bye, see you guys next time.